What's up, everybody? Good morning. So I'm supposed to be shooting like some video for Lucky Tackle Box bass fishing and their new box because I haven't done the unboxing. And of course, every time I get a day off, it rains. Yeah, it rains. Still raining. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna let it ruin my day. I'm gonna go to YOLO Board, jump on one of their paddle boards they got up there, and we're gonna see if we can catch some bass on Lucky Tackle Box lures. It's gonna be hard to film because of the rain, especially with this camera. So we're gonna figure it out, guys, and see what we can do. And not gonna let the rain. It's like literally storming. It's like sideways rain out there. But we're gonna go see what it looks like. Hopefully they're open, and see what we can do. Let's hit the road. Alright, so I made it. We're gonna go fishing. It is raining, as you guys can see. I got my WaspCam, so we're a little bit waterproof. Get a little bit of video. We're gonna hit this water, see what we can catch on the Lucky Tackle Box. I'm gonna rig it up, and I'll go over what I have rigged up once I get out there. See you out there, guys. Alright, guys, so I put that Rage Tail Lucky Tackle Box on there. Got it rigged up with a 3/0 EWG hook, mustad hook from one of my past Lucky Tackle Boxes, and a 3/16 ounce tungsten weight. I don't have it pegged because I like to, when I swim these, I like to bump it and give it a little twitch, and that weight will come away from the lure and it'll entice the bass a lot, like something's chasing something and they want to get involved. But we're going to hit it with that real quick and see what we can catch. Alright, you guys ready? Alright. There we go, there's one, fellas. Didn't take too long. Oh, quick release. He gone. Right there, I was swimming it just like a swim bait, pretty much. Just turning that reel handle and swimming it, and he hit it. Fishing in the rain, nothing better. Nice, another little one. think the one thing I like about these rage tail worms, they got that coffee scent, so you don't have to do much work. The fish kind of come to it and do the work for you. So we're gonna see if we can catch some more. That's 3 really quick succession. See if we can get some more. There's a waterfall thing over here and it's kind of flooded, high tide, so we're gonna see if anything's washing out. We'll catch something. Oh, he was a little bit bigger of a fish. That one's a little bit bigger. Not much bigger, but we'll take them, right, fellas? Alright guys, well, the moral of the story is today, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, by the way. We've had a tropical storm coming in over here in Destin, Florida. It's kind of been hard to get out on my days off. Of course, it comes through on my days off. But it's literally, the rain's been coming and going today. So I took the advantage of that and I got over to YOLO Board, got in their back pond, caught me some small bass. Just to feed the fury. I mean, just to get out and catch something because all this rain. But I did all that and had a fun day. I got a good workout. Sweated a lot because I was fighting the wind out there on the paddleboard, but it was fun. Only a few fish. Hope you guys enjoyed this really short video. I'm gonna make this a filler video. Not a whole episode. So I'll just throw it in there within the week, and hope you guys enjoy. And remember, get out and fish, guys. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And until next time,